So we're here in San Jose, California. We're here just to stay the night because we wanted to, because I got it for free, you know, blah blah blah. So this is our room, hella fancy, holy crap. Oh, let me just give you the whole tour. So this is the room, and then this is the bathroom. Holy crap noodles. Look at this.
That has a funny flush.
Look, it's nice. And then this bath, it's like marble, everything is marble. And then this damn bathroom is so like deep in here.
You can.
And then look, flush.
Oh my god, that's nothing
So
new. That's nothing new.
Anyways, look, I can see myself in here too. Jeez. Anyways, so yeah, we're here. This is the 2-room suite with a pull-out bed. You know, big ass TV. Anyways, so we're here, and then we're gonna just chill out here, and then now we're gonna go out to
We're gonna go to the mall.
To the mall first, and then we're gonna go to the museum, Tech Museum in San Jose. Then after that, we're gonna go eat at the Cheesecake Factory because we've never eaten there before. And then we're gonna go to the movies for date night. What? Yeah.
And I still want to go swimming in the pool.
And then we're gonna go swimming in the pool. All right.
And we have to go buy him underwear because they didn't forget it.
She didn't pack anything for me.
She
only packed for herself.
Okay.
She only packed for herself, and not for me.
Whatever.
Anyways, so we'll see y'all later. So you drive now? Huh? I said, so you drive now?
Always driven, but you don't let me.
Anyways, so now we're on our way to the mall. And yes, guys, we got a brand new car. It's a Volkswagen Jetta. Oh my god, because it's Lily's car. Because she likes the Volkswagen Jetta.
You're so dumb.
Because she wants to be a white girl.
Stop.
White girl.
This is the one she's wearing, but she's tight.
So we're here now. The first thing we come to at the mall is to Forever 21. Lilybeth. Where's the guy stuff?
Over there. You want to go over there?
Yeah.
Because you're quicker.
Yep. Oh, and I think I already found a shirt.
The white one or the one with
The red one, all the way over there. Come on, hurry up.
I kind of want some of these.
What is that?
It's
A
like
romper?
a tank top, but like it's like that, and then I could show my tattoo.
Can we even see your tattoo?
No.
Are you gonna wear that tomorrow? So we're here at this new store here in San Jose. It's called the Papaya. And then, so Lily's over there trying on clothes and shit like that. She's taking forever. So we always end up somewhere. Let me give you all a little hint real quick. Hold on. Let me go somewhere where
And then by the cashier.
Oh, wait. There. Yeah, we always come here.
I like how you did a whole rotation.
So, my wife here, she likes her little Michael Kors. So, she's getting a little backpack. A little backpack. A white one. A backpack. Look at her, she's smiling because she hella won that backpack.
Okay, yeah.
So guys, we're out of the mall. We bought so much shit.
We're exhausted.
Stuff. We're exhausted.
And there's freaking traffic.
And now we're in traffic. We're gonna go eat. We've never eaten at the Cheesecake Factory, but we're gonna go eat at the Cheesecake Factory. We'll let y'all know what we eat.
What was that?
We're hella freaking hungry right now. I don't know, I think it's me like not being able to eat yet, so.
You're hungry still?
I'm hangry. Well, I'm not hangry, I'm just like
So we spent,
tired and hangry.
it was just so dark. We spent like 3 hours at the mall, so we're not gonna go to the museum anymore.
No, we're not going to go to the museum.
It's
We
too
spent way too damn long at the damn small.
That mall is way too big.
It's called the Great Mall for a reason.
It's like a big old circle.
Circle.
So, how much longer on here?
5 miles.
Really, Nikki? I could have gone on the freaking fast track. You know, me dices. Me hubieras dicho que son 5 miles y ya me hubiera ido por allá.
She's hangry. She speaks Spanish when she's hangry.
No, I speak Spanish all the time. It's called being bilingual.
So we hear y'all.
They have a low carb cheese. Babe, they have a low carb cheesecake. Baby, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get that at the end.
Okay. So we're all excited because Lily just found a low carb cheesecake. We're here at, the Cheesecake Factory.
They had to have it.
They had to, because I mean they're a cheesecake factory. So we'll let y'all know.
Low carb cheesecake with strawberries.
Damn, Daniel.
That's the one I'm getting.
But you don't even know what you're gonna eat.
But I know what I'm eating for dessert. Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know if you guys know, but Lily's in a keto diet.
Yeah, I said it in the other video.
Oh. Yeah,
It's
that's what she
very
got.
hard because I want to eat everything. Let me see. Were you zooming into me? So what are you getting?
My ass is gonna get chicken madeira.
Yeah.
Just so you know, it's a pretty hot plate. Thank you.
Thank you. What is this? Is it like you dip the chips that I can't have? And these
You can eat by itself.
are these supposed to be like the samosas from the Indian food? Chame. Is this gonna turn into a mukbang show?
This is some good shit.
Let me see your reaction at the food again. Yummy. You had to wait. Well, as you can see, we did not finish our food.
Oh, and here's your check. I'll be back with your cheesecake to go, and I'll box this up for you.
Oh, thank you. Hey guys, so we're back in the hotel and Jesus is dead in the couch. I am so oily, just ignore the oils. It's like I'm gonna make some fried chicken with this oil right now. Anyways, we went to the mall and then we bought outfits for tomorrow because we're gonna go to Pride and I didn't know what to wear.
You guys, I'm pregnant.
And he's pregnant with a food baby. Didn't you just poop though? So you delivered?
I had twins.
So Jesus might wear this shirt, so you guys will know for sure in the next video we post with either these gray or these brown.
Throw my shit while I want to.
So that's what he bought, and then he also bought this one that has like pelicans on it. That's blue, either with the, I think that one goes better with the khakis. We still don't know what he's really wearing. We bought him some swimming trunks. And guess what you forgot, Jesus? Your calzones. Este cochino se va a poner los mismos calzones que trae ahorita mañana. Ew, that's nasty. So what I bought is I bought some shorts. Just regular shorts. And then I bought this shirt that is like off the shoulder yellow shirt. I thought it was really cute.
No one cares about what you're doing.
Shut up. And then I also bought this other shirt, which is like, I don't know, like tank toppy. So I still don't know what I'm gonna wear either. And we were walking around, and then we got to the Michael Kors store. They had a sale, so I had to get something. Well, I didn't have to, but I was really like, okay, let's go see what they have. And we went inside, and then I was like, I don't know if I want to get this one or that one or this one. And then in purse or a backpack. And as you can see in the background, I got a backpack. We're gonna go downstairs. They have a
complimentary cocktails.
And since we are
complimentary, say it with me.
whatever, they heard you. And since we're over 21, we can get some.
So basically what she's trying to say is that we're alcoholics, so we're gonna go get some food.
For free.
So y'all, we're here at Happy Hour at the Embassy Suites. What you drinking?
Tequila Sunrise.
Tequila Sunrise. What am I drinking? A wannabe Paloma. And a glass of Merlot.
This is too dry.
Too dry.
I don't like it.
Some good ass chips and salsa. And her keto diet. Ranch and carrots and celery.
I could literally eat all this without breaking the diet.
This is the breakfast area too. The bar is right behind that.
We're gonna eat breakfast here.
We're gonna eat breakfast in the morning. Bye y'all.
Back in the room, and it's currently 6:45. I'm gonna take this makeup off. Jesus is over there pumping a pimple, and we're gonna sleep for an hour, and then we're gonna head out to the movies. So yeah, see you later. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. So we were taking a nap because we were taking a nap. So we took like an hour nap. Jesus is totally still sleepy. We're actually gonna head out to the drive-in to go watch Jurassic World. As you can tell, I took off my makeup except for my eyebrows. And then after the movies, we're gonna come back. I don't know. We're gonna come back and we're gonna go swimming. Hell yeah. It's a workout of the day. He said, let me work on the camera. Hey!